Do you have weak immunity? When someone is said to have weak immunity, it means that their defense system is weak. And when that happens, viruses and bacteria can harm your immune system. Did you know that some foods can help boost your body's immunity and protect you from colds and flu? If you're struggling with flu, colds, fatigue, or other issues related to a weak immune system, it's time to boost your immunity with this lemon, ginger, and honey concoction. Lemon helps boost immunity, making it a great ally in the fight against colds and flu. Ginger also has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, so it boosts immunity and fights infections and inflammation in the body. And honey, due to the antioxidants it has, can help strengthen the body's defenses. You'll need 2 lemons, preferably organic. To clean the lemons, put them in a deep bowl and pour hot water over them. Then you can sprinkle them with salt and rub them as if you were exfoliating it. This will help remove all the dirt in the peel. You'll need about 5 to 10 inches of ginger root. Remove the peel, slice it, and set it aside. Cut off the ends of the lemon and also remove the parts bruised, if any. Now cut the lemon into thin slices and remove the seeds. Then put some lemon slices in the jar. Add the ginger and cover them with honey. Keep doing this. Add a layer of lemon slices, ginger, and honey. After that, close the jar and let it rest upside down for 2 days. You can keep it in the refrigerator for 2 weeks. To use it, just put some slices of lemon and ginger and some honey in a cup, and then add warm water to make a tea. In addition to this natural remedy, you can improve your immunity by getting some sun every day, drinking plenty of water, exercising, getting enough sleep, reducing your consumption of processed foods, and avoiding alcohol and cigarettes. Now you know how to protect yourself from diseases and strengthen your immunity. Try this remedy and put the other tips into practice. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.